So just draw like that, VA. First one. So here, draw it big. So this is the VA. Okay? Okay, this angle, theta. Okay, this angle is, this angle is theta. Okay, this angle is theta. Okay? Right? Okay? Okay, so this is first one, First one. Then this one, BQ. BQ, because it should go like that. So this is BQ. So it go like that. So this is the angle. Okay, so this is the angle. Okay, BQ, Okay, don't know where is B, Okay, don't know where is B. Then AB is 90 degree, 90 degree. So 90 degree is this one, this angle. Okay, so this angle here. So it should be like that, Okay, this angle. Okay, this angle here. Like that one. So this is the angle. Okay, so this angle here. Okay, all right, this angle. Okay, so this is B. So this is like that, This is like that. Okay. Okay, this is what this is A. This is A. Okay, this is A. This is B. Like that. That only correct, So that only correct. Now AB, because it's like that, So AB. So this is AB, like that. Okay. All right. Okay, then you have one here, you have one here, you have one here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, So 1, 2, 3. Now this is the one, This is CD. CD is this one, So CD, this is AB. So this is center. This is C. Half. So they are also half. This is C, Okay. So then you have CD. So CD is this angle. Okay. So this is the angle. Okay, so this is the this should be CD. So this is CD. Okay, this is CD. Okay, CD is this angle. Okay, this is CD. Okay, this is the CD. Where is CD? CD, this one is CD, this angle here. So it should be like that. So this is the angle. Okay? Alright, this is the angle, CD. Okay? This is D. This is D, vertical. D is only vertical. D is only vertical. Okay? This is only vertical. Okay? D is vertical here. This is D. Okay? Here, this is D. Okay? Then this is CD. Okay? Alright, okay? So now we have finished the CD, we have finished the D. Alright, this is D, this is CD. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So finish already. So we finished the diagram already. Alright? Then you just measure. The first one is to measure the velocity D. This one, So velocity D, you just measure. Measure here to here. Measure here to here. The answer is meter per second. Something meter per second. Okay, measure. Do scale. Then angular velocity of CD. So this is CD. This is CD. Measure here to here. This is the value. Let's say something meter per second. Okay. But you want the angular velocity. So you want this. You want this angular velocity. CD. You want this. Okay. So that is VCD divided by CD. Okay. I mean this value you measure. Put here. Okay. And then this CD. This CD. The length given by the question, CD. The CD is 2 meter. 2 meter. Okay, so this put here, 2 meter. Okay, so you got the answer for this angular velocity. Then the PQ. BQ, this is PQ. Measure here, you got the answer. Okay, this is the PQ. So you got something, you want the angular for PQ. So this is VPQ over the DQ. Okay, this value here, and then this PQ is 1.2. Okay, so it's given. So 1.2. So you can get the this one. You can get the angular velocity. I mean radian per second. Now you got this. Okay, here also. Okay, the first answer is meter per second. After that is radian per second. Like that. Any problem? Any problem with this question? Any problem? Any problem? You understand what I said, no? Okay? Alright? Just now I make confusion because I draw this one down here. So it's not correct because the physical diagram is like that one. So it must push, then this one must go like that. Okay? Then when you go like that, this one go down, this one go down. This is only logical. This is only logical. Okay? Okay? Any problem?